Hello everyone, this is me Abdul Sabur and you're watching EnglioCity. Well, in this very specific tutorial, I'll be talking about some very important terminologies, right? They are called the linguistic terminologies, which are synonyms, antonyms, homophones and homographs, right? Mostly students have confusion about these terminologies, though these are very important terminologies which will help you and assist you to learn vocabularies, right? To learn different words, or these terminologies will help you to remove your confusions, because at times different words are pronounced same and they have different meanings. At time we use multiple words in order to give the same meaning according to different contexts. So that's how these terminologies help us in order to have better understanding and have better command over English language. Well, so let's kick off with the first one, which is synonym. Now, what is synonym? A synonym refers to a pair of words, right, that usually share the same meaning, right? For example, we have the word destroy, demolish, and destruct. Now, destroy, demolish, and destruct. These are the three different words, or these are the pairs of words, right, which share same meaning. These three words have same meaning, and these are called synonyms. And a synonym, mostly in 90%, a synonym can be either a verb, like these words such as destroy, demolish, and destruct, or a synonym can be a noun as well, such as ability, skill, capability, expertise, right? Or a synonym can be an adjective. For example, we have the word boring, dull, and monotonous. Now, these are all synonyms. Why? Because these are different words which share same meaning, right? How you define synonym is a synonym refers to different words which share the same meaning. And mostly in 90%, right, we have synonyms in verbs, we have synonyms in nouns, we have synonyms in adjectives. Well, moving ahead towards antonym. And antonyms are mostly in verbs, in adjectives, and nouns. For instance, we have the word like, we have dislike, to like something or to dislike something, right? Now, these are the pair of words which share the opposite meaning, or like and abhor. Like and abhor. These are the antonyms. Moving ahead towards the adjective, which is happy and sad. Happy and sad. These are the pair of words which share the opposite meaning. Okay, now what are homophones? Homophone refer to pair of words that share the same pronunciation, such as to, and two. The first two is spelled T-O, second one is spelled T-W-O, and the third one is spelled as T-double-O. Now, to is a preposition, T-W-O is a number, and to-double-O is an adverb, which means extremely. Now, these are the different words which share same pronunciation, but they give different meanings and they have different alphabet structures, right? Well, we have some other examples as well, such as right and right. Now, R-I-G-H-T and W-R-I-T-E. Or we have another example as well, which is wrote and wrote. Second form of right, wrote, and wrote, which is a noun, refers to the roads, right? Right. Now, let's move ahead towards the last topic, and that is the homographs. Now, what are homographs? Homographs refer to pair of words that share the same spelling, but some slightly difference in the pronunciation and different in meaning. For example, in the word such as park, park. Now, first park is a noun, second park is a verb. The other example, the prominent example, is spring, 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 right? Now, first meaning is spring, which is used as a noun, refers to seasons. Second one is spring of water, and the third one, spring, is the spring which are used in the car tires, right? Now, the last example for homographs are bow and bow. The first one refers to a tie, and the second one is when you bow. That's a greeting, that's a way of greeting for Chinese people, right? Well, that's it for the synonyms, antonyms, homophones, and homographs. I hope this video was helpful for you people, and if you want to learn more about English language, so do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, right? Have a great time and enjoy yourself.